Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. It feels so good to be back, you guys. I think it's been almost 1 month that I haven't uploaded any video in Asvi Creative, and also before that as well, I have been not so consistent. So I have been thinking to restart Asvi Creative. As before, so I thought I will start with a chit chat video so that I can connect with you guys better, because it's been a while that I've talked to you guys. So I think you guys must be knowing that I already have another channel named Asvi Malayalam, which has got more than 3 lakh subscribers. So I'm quite busy with that, so that is the main reason I couldn't upload videos in Asvi Creative. Earlier I used to manage both the channel very well, but then I had to sacrifice a lot for that because I am a mom, I am a housewife, so you guys know how it is. We have a lot of work at home, and also handling a 2-year-old baby is not that easy, right? So I have been struggling a lot, and that did affect my health very badly, I should say. So lately, for past few months, I do take care of my health very well. I make it a point that I do get enough sleep, and also I do go to gym regularly for past 2 months. And also in my Malayalam channel, I do upload every alternate days. I don't know if I have told you guys, my vitamin D was very low. It was actually 3. We need 33, I guess. I was having only 3. Another thing is that I had neck pain. I mean, like, it's severe neck pain, you guys, severe neck pain. And also I was having all sort of muscles pain, and I was feeling so lethargic. I got into a point that it was mentally disturbing me as well. So then I decided I need to take care of my health, which is very important. That should be my priority. And after that, I started to go to gym. That's because my muscles are weak. That's what my doctor said. For that, I need to do any kind of exercise, and I thought I will go for gym. Not just that, past 2-3 months, I make it a point that I do sleep at 10:30 or 11. I don't go beyond that, which is something I make it a point. Earlier, I used to sleep at 2 or 3 a.m. Because I have been doing YouTube and editing at that time. Once my baby sleep, at that time I do my YouTube things. I make it a point that I sleep for good 6 to 7 hours for sure. That too, I sleep from 10:30 to 5:30, and I wake up at 5:30 at morning, and I go for gym at 6 o'clock, and I do work out full on weight training for almost 1.5 to 2 hours. So I do cardio as well for 15 minutes. It was done basically to gain strength on my muscles. But then the surprising fact is that I did gain weight as well, which was quite surprising for me because I have been underweight for throughout my life, except for my pregnancy period. I'm sitting in this weird position because my baby is sleeping on my lap. I'm so sorry, guys. So what I was saying, yeah, I have been taking care of my food as well. I have been eating properly. So altogether, I'm taking care of my health very well. So whatever time I do get, I totally concentrate on my Malayalam channel. That is the reason I haven't been doing any videos in Asvi Creative. Now my baby has started to go to play school. It's for 1 hour right now. Then after 2 weeks, it will be for 2 hours. So I think I can take out some time and do Asvi Creative as well. That's my plan. I really want to do it, guys. I really want to do it. I have been seeing few comments on my Asvi Malayalam channel that you guys miss me. Don't you do videos in Asvi Creative? We do not understand Malayalam, so why you are ignoring us and all. Actually, I was very happy to see that. I didn't even imagine that you guys really watch my videos, because I thought that you guys have totally forgotten me. Hereafter, there will be 2 or 3 videos in Asvi Creative, that's for sure. And also I will make it a point that I do at least 1 video exclusively for Asvi Creative. Usually what I do is I just shoot 1 video and do voiceover. So in Asvi Creative, I put it in English, and Asvi Malayalam, I put it in Malayalam. And I feel that in some way or the other, it's not connecting with you guys. So I will be doing a video wherein I will be just sitting and talking to you guys. I will talk to you guys, not just voiceover. So that's what my plan is. That is what's happening in my life. Life is going so good, you guys. Only thing I do miss doing videos in Asvi Creative. That is there. Everything is fine. I'm very happy with the way my life is going right now. I do have neck pain. Even now, I've got got neck pain and hand pain. So my muscles are better right now, so pain has reduced in that way. But then I've got the reverse curve even now, which is something we can't actually cure it completely. What we can do is we have to do proper exercise and just go on. Another thing is that we do not have any medicine for this as well, so all we have to do is exercise, so that doesn't bother us much. So that is something we can do, that's it. But still, I'm happy that I'm taking care of my health, which is something I just want to tell you, each and every one of you, please take care of your health, guys. Health is first, and then obviously career is also very important, but then we should not sacrifice our health for career. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. One point, I was so much workaholic that I actually didn't take care of my health very well. I had a really bad time at that point, because if our health is not well, that do affect our mind as well. Make sure that you take out some time in a day and just dedicate that time completely to yourself. Make sure that you do some kind of physical exercise, and also make sure that you have enough sleep, and also take care of your diet. So that's it. I don't know if it was boring for you guys, because it was all over. Actually, I don't remember what I have talked to you guys. So please do subscribe and turn on that notification bell, and stay tuned so that you guys do not miss any of my videos. So we are gonna have at least 3 videos a week for sure. Do not want to take any more break from Asvi Creative channel. So I really hope I can put up good videos for you all. See you soon in very next video. So till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. Mwah. Bye.